Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to scan a location in Google Maps, step by step. Whether you want to explore nearby places or share a location using a QR code, we will walk you through the whole process. First, we need to search for the location we want to share. Just type it into the search bar, and Google Maps will find it for you. As you can see, we can scroll around to explore the map and get a better look at the area. Now, to share this location as a QR code, we need to tap the red pin on the map, then tap Share. From here, we just need to copy the link. Then open a new tab and go to qrstaff.com. This site lets us turn any Google Maps link into a QR code that anyone can scan. Paste the link into the box. Then tap Continue and download the QR code as a PNG file. Once it has downloaded, we can open the file and remove any extra text, then update it as needed. Now that we have our QR code, we can send it to anyone so they can scan it and go straight to the location. They can scan it directly from the QR code on their phone or any device. This makes it quick and easy to share and find locations using Google Maps. And that is how we scan and share a location in Google Maps.